welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys the $5 Goodwill Challenge Summer 2018 edition. This challenge is set out by Hillary from Old World Home. I'm going to link her channel down below, even though I'm sure you've visited her channel before and you probably subscribed to her. But if you aren't, then I will link her down below. You can check her video out, as well as a playlist she will have linked of everybody else participating. So basically this challenge is take $5 to anywhere you can buy something secondhand and spend it on decor to update your home for the particular season. I found a couple good things, so let me just hop in and show you what I found. So the first thing I found was this chalkboard here. It was 50 cents. And I'm just going to use this as a centerpiece. I wanted to make a new centerpiece on my table just for summertime, and so this will be incorporated into that, as well as these two candlesticks, which were actually free. My husband was walking outside one night and he went by this house and he said there's a whole bunch of free stuff out here. I was putting the kids to sleep, so he texted me and said, what do you want? He took a picture of everything. I said, just pick up the candlesticks and that would be great. So he picked up these candlesticks for me. They were free. Then the last thing I found was this bowl here, or wire basket. I just love the color. I love the shape of it. Something very unique I've never seen before. I found this at the Salvation Army. $2.50. I don't know if you can see that there, but it was $2.50. So I don't know much about this basket, but I thought it was pretty, so I thought I would pick it up. And it's got these little sort of round circles on the bottom for the feet, a beautiful handle, and I just love the color. It's sort of like a bronzy, brassy color, and I think this will be great to hold something in the middle of my table for summertime. So now let's get decorating. If you didn't see my Target haul, then you would have missed this, but I just picked this up at Target on clearance and I just love it. The colors are so pretty. I usually go for neutrals, but I'm really feeling color lately, so that is why I'm going with this as the base. Now I'm going to do a little bit of chalk artwork for the next layer in this centerpiece. I guess I could shine these up real nice, but I sort of like the patina that they have, so I'm just gonna give them a good dusting. These pretty blue candles that I got from Flying Tiger Copenhagen last time I was in New York, so I'm going to incorporate these in there as well. They're a little tall, so when I have tall candles like this, I just use a serrated knife and cut them in half, and then I just use them as two separate candles. So that is what I'm going to do. The lemons are faux and they're from Amazon. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out the playlist and Hillary's video and everybody else participating in the Goodwill Challenge. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!